Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancy in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from Mineral Exploration and Consultancy Limited. Here the name of post is Deputy General Manager or Assistant Manager. Qualification asked is either a CA, CMA or full-time 2-year MBA course or PGDM in Financial Management. Age limit is 50 years for Deputy General Manager and for Assistant Manager it's 40 years. There is one vacancy for Deputy General Manager. It is for OBC category candidate and one vacancy for Assistant Manager unreserved PWBD category, and the place of posting will be in Nagpur. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy, but you need to have 17 years of experience for DGM and 7 years experience for Assistant Manager. Here the pay scale will be in the range of 90,000 to 2,40,000 for DGM and 60,000 to 1,80,000 for Assistant Manager. Mode of application is online and last date is 30th September 2023. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the entire technical syllabus, and we are keep on adding new courses as you can see on your screen. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start preparing for the examination. Coupon code and website link is mentioned in the description. I wish you all the best for your examination. Friend, next vacancy is again from Mineral Exploration and Consultancy Limited. Here the name of post is Accounts Officer. Qualification asked is either a CA or CMA or full-time 2-year MBA or PGDM in Financial Management. Age limit is 30 years. There are 3 vacancy. Place of posting is in Nagpur. Friends, is a permanent vacancy. You need to have 2 years of experience. A per month pay scale will be 40,000 to 1,40,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 30th September 2023. And next vacancy is again from Mineral Exploration. Name of the post is Accountant. Here the qualification asked is graduate or postgraduate with CA or CMA inter. Age limit is 30 years. Number of vacancies are 6. Place of posting is in Nagpur. It's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 3 years of experience. Here per month pay scale will be in the range of 22,900 to 55,900. You have to apply through online mode and last date is 30th September. And next vacancy is again from Mineral Exploration. Here the name of post is Assistant Accounts. Qualification asked is BCom. Age limit is 30 years. There are 6 vacancy. Place of posting is in Nagpur. Again it's a permanent vacancy. Here you need to have 3 years of experience. Package will be 20,200 to 49,300. It's a basic pay. Apart from that you will be also paid TADA and all those benefits. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last vacancy. And next vacancy is from National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, that is NABARD. Name of post is Assistant Manager Grade A General. Here the qualification asked is bachelor's degree with 60% marks or PG degree or MBA PGDM with 55% marks or a CA, CS, CMA or a PhD degree holder. Age limit is 30 years. There are massive 77 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, is a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. A per month salary will be approx 1 lakh. Mode of application is online and last date is 23rd September 2023. And next vacancy is again from NABARD. Name of post is Assistant Manager Grade A Finance. Qualification asked is BBA Finance or in Banking or BMS Finance in Banking with 60% marks or 2-year full-time PGDM Finance or MBA Finance, MMS Finance with 55% marks or Bachelors of Finance and Investment Analysis with 60% marks or a CA, CFA, CMA. Here membership should be as on 1st September 2023. Age limit is 30 years. There are 15 vacancy. Place of post is all over India. They have not asked for any experience. Per month salary will be 1 lakh. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last vacancy. The next vacancy is from National Small Industries Corporation Limited. Name of post is Assistant Manager Finance and Account. Qualification asked is either a CA or CMA or graduation in commerce with minimum 60% marks and a regular MBA Finance with minimum 60% marks. Here age limit is 28 years. There are 19 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, is a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. A per month pay scale will be in the range of 30,000 to 1,20,000. Mode of application is online. You have to fill the online application by 29th September, and apart from that you also need to send your hard copy at their address by 6th October 2023. Friends, we have made a separate detailed video for this vacancy. You can check that video also. Next vacancy is again from same organization, but it's a special recruitment drive for SC/ST category candidate. As the name of post is Deputy General Manager Finance and Accounts. Qualification asked is same as that of last vacancy. Your age limit is 41 years, but there is only one vacancy for SC category candidate. Place of posting is all over India. It's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 13 years of experience. Your pay scale will be in the range of 70,000 to 2 lakh, and mode of application is same as that of last vacancy. And next vacancy is again a special recruitment drive from National Small Industry Corporation for SC/ST category candidate. Name of post is Chief Manager Finance and Accounts. Qualification is same as that of last two vacancies. Age limit is 38 years. There is one vacancy for OBC category candidate. Place of posting is all over India. Again, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 10 years of experience. Your per month pay scale will be in the range of 60,000 to 1,80,000. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last two vacancies. The next vacancy is again from same organization. It's also a special recruitment drive where the name of post is Deputy Manager Finance and Accounts. Qualification is same. Age limit is 31 years. Here there are 6 vacancies, 2 vacancies for SC category, 1 vacancy for ST and 3 vacancy for OBC category candidate. Place of posting is all over India. Again, permanent vacancy. You need to have 3 years of experience. Here per month pay scale will be 40,000 to 1,40,000. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last 3 vacancies. Friend, next vacancy is from Naini Aerospace Limited. Name of post is Finance Officer. Qualification asked is either a CA, CMA, MBA Finance with 60% marks from AICTE recognized institute whose entrance is carried out through MAT or CAT examination. This requirement is for MBA Finance students. Age limit is 35 years. Number of vacancies is 1. Place of posting is in UP. Friends, it's a contractual job. You need to have 3 years of experience. Your package will be 5.35 lakhs. Mode of application is offline and last date is 18th September 2023. The next vacancy is from SJVN Limited. Name of post is Junior Field Officer Finance and Accounts. Qualification asked is either a CA Inter, CMA Inter or full-time MCOM with 55% marks. Here age limit is 30 years. Friends, there are 12 vacancy. Place of posting is in Northeast. It's a contractual job for 3 years which can be extended further for 2 more years. Experience asked is nil. Her remuneration will be 45,000, but if candidate posted in Arunachal Pradesh, he will be paid additional remuneration of 100%, and if posted in Assam, then additional remuneration will be 50% of the fixed remuneration. Mode of application is online and last date is 9th October 2023. And next vacancy is from Bharat Petroleum. Name of post is Junior Executive Accounts. Here the qualification asked is either a CA Inter, CMA Inter plus graduation. Age limit is 35 years. Minimum age requirement is 30 years. Number of vacancies are not mentioned by them. Place of posting is all over India, and these are permanent vacancy. Pay scale will be in the range of 30,000 to 1,20,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 30th September 2023. And next vacancy is from State Bank of India. Name of post is Probationary Officer. Qualification asked is graduation. Final year students are eligible. Age limit is 30 years. There are massive 2,000 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India, and these are permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. A per month pay scale will be in the range of 36,000 to 63,840. Mode of application is online and last date of making application is 27th September 2023. Friend, next vacancy is again from SBI. Name of post is Apprentice. Qualification asked is graduation. Age limit is 28 years. There are massive 6,160 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. These are stipendary in nature and not permanent vacancy. Experience is not asked. Per month stipend will be rupees 15,000. Mode of application is online and last date of making application is 27th September 2023. So that's all, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you think that these vacancies might be useful, and I will see you all in the next week with the latest update. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.